GQUAT family, we're back, and one of the most important things I want to tell you is that you never mix your bread with a mixer. I'm going to put it down on the table here and I'm going to mix it by hand only until it's moistened. You can do it with a fork. This is a really big metal bowl, so I have to put it down, and I'm using a big spoon, and we'll be back when we get to the next part when I put it in the oven. Okay. Hello GQUAT family. This is Ellen Pankey, Garden, Quilt, and Art Traditions, and today we are going to be making a banana pumpkin bread. The basic recipe is my old recipe for banana bread, but I'm dressing it up for the holidays and adding pumpkin and craisins and walnuts to the recipe. So we're going to start out. I'm actually making a double recipe, but to make this recipe, you need 2 1/4 cups of sugar, a 1/2 cup of margarine, which is like 1 stick of butter. I make it so much banana bread that even when I travel, I keep it with me in my little journal. 2 eggs, 3 or 4 very ripe bananas, medium size, a 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 1/2 cups of flour. I like King Arthur all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's different, not baking powder, baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. And 1 cup of chopped nuts if you like. Since I'm making a double recipe, I am going to add an additional 2 cups of pumpkin puree, pumpkin that I've already pureed in the past. And I'm going to add a little nutmeg. You can add nutmeg or pumpkin pie spice, which is what I'm actually going to do. You can add cinnamon, whatever is your taste. You can add ginger if you like, and a little ground cloves. What makes my recipe different is that we're using baking soda, not powder. Another little trick I want to show you: when you butter your dish, I'm using glass, you only butter the bottom, and I reuse the butter paper. Waste not, want not. Only the bottoms. Only the bottoms. Now when I start mixing this recipe, what I do is I'm going to, I don't know if you can see it, there's 2 sticks of butter and the sugar here. I'm going to cream them together. Then I'm going to add the 4 eggs. I'm going to beat that up. Then I'm going to add the bananas, the pumpkin puree, the buttermilk, and all of the liquids. I'm going to beat that up really well, really well, until it's time to add the flour. The extra spices I'm going to add in with my flour. Add it in with the flour. This is my banana pumpkin puree. Craisins. Pure vanilla. This came from the big box store. And 1 cup of buttermilk. So I'm going to mix this up with the mixer, the hand mixer. It's going to make a lot of noise, and I will bring you back when it's time to go put them in the oven. Okay, I'll be right back. So GQUAT family, here's the final result of the banana, pumpkin, walnut, craisin bread. And I will try to hold the camera with one hand. Let me switch it or not and show you the cake. Actually, here is the banana bread. I don't really eat sweets, so I cut this to take to my arts and craft class tonight. This is banana, pumpkin, craisin, walnut bread. I'll wrap each slice individually and take it to my friends in my class. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. This is Nana, Auntie Ellen Pankey signing out from Garden, Quilt, and Art Traditions. Bye-bye.